What exactly is Affiliatable? It's a feature-rich, user-friendly online marketing tool that lets you create stunning comparison tables, rating boxes, pros and cons sections, and more without having to fiddle with drag and drop builders or write a single line of code. Affiliatable has a free plan, which is awesome if you're just getting started. But if you want to level up your game and try out those fancier, feature-packed pro widgets, you may need to invest in a paid plan. That said, you can actually get started for free. Signing up for Affiliatable is a piece of cake. Click the register button, input your details, and you're good. Once you're all signed up, you'll land on the Affiliatable dashboard, where you can get started right away. As you can see, the dashboard shows your installation code on the left and the number of Affiliatable widget types you've used on the right, and we have quite a lot here. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see quick access buttons for creating commonly used widgets like comparison tables and pro-con boxes. Now let's talk about installing Affiliatable. The beauty of this tool is that it plays nice with all the major content management systems out there, including WordPress, Shopify, Blogger, Webflow, Wix, Weebly, and even custom HTML sites. You have two options for connecting your site: the WordPress plugin for WordPress websites, and a JavaScript script for other content management systems. The plugin is a breeze if your site's on WordPress, and it even supports geo-targeting for Amazon affiliates. That means your affiliate links adjust based on where your visitors are coming from. Cool, right? But for all you non-WordPress folks, the JavaScript script is the way to go. You just pop it in your site's header, and you're good. Now, let's talk widgets. Affiliatable currently has 7 awesome widget types to choose from. The comparison table is perfect for showing off differences between products or services. Think of it as your secret sauce for boosting conversion rates. Personally, I prefer Table 6 because it has a horizontal slider. Because of this, visitors don't have to scroll down to see the entire table, even on mobile. Here's an example of what it looks like on a live website. The product box is your typical conversion beast. It highlights a specific product and has a simple format comprising the image, product summary, and buy button. However, I stopped using the product box a long time ago when the Affiliatable team introduced the summary box, and that takes us to the next widget. Summary boxes are perfect for highlighting key details, including star rating, top features, and pros and cons. Like the product box, summary boxes can take multiple call to action buttons and let you add a featured image to the widget. Here's an example from a live site. Pro-con boxes let you highlight the strengths and weaknesses of a product in a compact manner. However, I no longer use them, just like product boxes, since they're part of the summary box anyway. Top 3 boxes are similar to comparison tables, but they cover only the best of the best. You can also use them in other ways, such as highlighting different product categories. For example, you can have an overall best product, a best value for money product, and a premium product. You can use rating boxes to create stylish star ratings and overall scores for products. The Versus box is excellent for direct, side-by-side comparisons between 2 products. Now, let's talk features. Affiliatable has several standout features. The first is Amazon API integration. If you're into Amazon Associates, this is your golden ticket to fetch product details straight from Amazon to customize your boxes and tables. If you've got multiple niche affiliate sites that you sell off regularly, there's also an affiliate tracking ID replacement feature, so you can swap links across all your Affiliatable widgets without stress. My favorite is the schema optimization feature that automatically creates schema markups, which search engine crawlers can read to better understand the content on your page. A second favorite is multiple call to action buttons for when you want to give your visitors multiple choices for purchase. I recommend using it if you have high-paying affiliate links, especially from the product manufacturer, but still want to add Amazon because of its popularity. What if you decide to use a different summary box template after creating hundreds of boxes? You can bulk change templates with the Global Template Change feature. Simply choose another theme and apply it everywhere. Affiliatable also has Genius Link integration for managing smart links, tracking, and more. The Affiliatable dashboard doesn't have an analytics section. But if you use the WordPress plugin, you can keep tabs on how your widgets are performing. It shows a summary of your clicks for each widget, your top performing links, and your most recent clicks for the chosen period. Affiliatable also lets you group widgets, add an affiliate disclaimer text, and add your team members to your dashboard. Now, let's talk money. Of course, Affiliatable has a free plan to get you started, but if you're serious about affiliate marketing, the paid plan is the way to go. The Pro plan starts at $9 a month for one website, and it gives you access to all the widgets and features. The Pro Plus and Pro Ultimate plans don't have any exclusive features over the Pro plan. You'll only need them if you're running multiple sites. It's worth noting that the Pro plan comes with an easy 7-day refund period. If you're not happy, they'll return your money, no questions asked. And that's Affiliatable in a nutshell. Click the link in the video description to give it a try and help support our channel at no additional cost to you.